Hello everybody, I'm Michael Hunt with TredWear. We're here to talk to you about our new product, the Super Stencil. And it's a great option for people to try that need a quick graphic on the tire, or for race teams or somebody who's doing a lot of tires. It allows you to do a lot of graphics in a short amount of time. So it's a little different from our permanent rubber product, but it's another great alternative. Now the first thing, as with any job, prep is important. And so with this, thankfully again, the prep is not very much. So this tire happens to have a lot of these little molding nibs on it. You do want to cut these or pull these off. See, in this case, they just pull right off.
A few seconds later.
But you get some acetone on your rag here. You just wipe the tire surface. It dries very quickly. Super Stencil will come with these glue dots, and these are really handy. You'll take the glue dots and you will apply them in strategic areas around the stencil. And these glue dots are going to hold it in place while you paint it. And it makes it very convenient, very handy. The glue dots stick really well. Although, that's one of the reasons it's important to clean the tire, is so that they'll continue to stick over and over again. So, you'll put the glue dots in strategic areas. Sometimes you want to put it up inside the area of the stencil to hold it down. But you can see we've got this one pretty much ready to go. Alright, now, place the stencil in place. All right, now, as far as the paint's concerned, just use an all-purpose. This Krylon Fusion works well, but any of them that say that they're for plastic, bonds to plastic, and you hold it at an angle very perpendicular to what you're painting. A little overspray is not a big deal. It'll wipe right away with acetone. Give it a couple seconds to dry. Actually, you can put a little second coat on there if you want to make it a little darker. And this is where you can kind of play with it to get the look that you want. You can have more of a raw race car look where it's just a little bit shaded on there, or you can get a little more of a solid leather look by giving yourself multiple coats.
It's like watching paint dry.
Literally. And as easily as this overspray is coming off, that's how quickly the whole thing will come off. If you want to redo it, or you want to take an old one off and make it temporary, but it literally wipes right away.
Sweet.